Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to transfer Binance to Metamask. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So basically, to transfer from Binance to Metamask, first we're going to have to select our network here in our Metamask. So we're going to go with Arbitrum 1 for our network, and then we're going to select our cryptocurrency to transfer, which is basically Ethereum. So in here, we're going to have to go with receive, and then you'll have to copy the address. Then we go back to our Binance. So you'll have to go to your wallets as seen right here and go to your spot. Then you'll have to go to your withdraw. Then we're going to select our cryptocurrency that we're going to transfer, which is Ethereum. So we just select Ethereum. Then we go send via crypto network. And right here will be the interface that will be shown to you. You'll have to paste the address that we placed a while ago, and then you have to select your network. So it's the Arbitrum 1, and then the amount. So there's a minimum guide here and a maximum too. So we're just going to transfer 2, and basically something like that. That's how it works. Then you'll have to select it from where it's going to come from your funding wallet or your spot wallet. Just select one, and then you just have to press withdraw, and it will transfer to your Metamask. And basically that's just how you transfer from Binance to Metamask. So if you find this tutorial useful, join Binance now by signing up with the link provided in the description box below to claim up to 200 USDT limited time trading fee credit. So that's it, and thank you for this video. See you again next time.